this video I'm gonna teach you how you can make an exclamation mark subscribe command with Nightbot. This way we'll show a link that people can subscribe with to your Twitch channel. My name is Tree and I'm extremely support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. Before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. If you have any questions about streaming or just want to hang out, hop in and say hi. So to make this command, the first thing we want to do is go to nightbot.tv and click on login. Log in with your Twitch account. Then here on the left we go to command and then click on custom. Click on add command in the top right. And then make the command exclamation mark subscribe. You can also make it exclamation mark sub or anything you like. Then as a message we do you like the stream? Question mark. Subscribe here. I cannot type. Why can't I ever type? And then we paste a link. So this link, I will leave it down below in the description, but it's pretty easy. So here it says twitch.tv/subs/ and then this needs to be your username. So just replace this part, which I probably do like brackets username so you guys know which part to replace, with your own Twitch name. So if you're called username, then you do sub/username. If you're called superhero, you do sub/superhero. If you have underscores or numbers in your name, make sure to also include them in here. You can have this text being totally different, anything you want, as long as you put this link in, because this is the link where people can click on and then they can go subscribe to you. User level everybody, because we want everybody to be able to subscribe to our channel. Then cooldown, I usually get like around 30 seconds cooldown on these kind of things. Why can't I ever get it on 30? There we go. Just because then if two people do it at the same time, it doesn't get spammed twice. And the second person will see it anyway as well. And then alias, we just leave that be. We don't have to do anything with that for this command. And we click on submit. Then it will appear right here. And we want to make sure that everything is right. So command, message, user level. I typed it wrong. Subscribe. There we go. This is what we want, huh guys? If you have never used Nightbot before, what you want to do is go to dashboard and make sure that this says start channel. If it says join channel, just click on that. And then we can go to our Twitch chat. Right here, if you don't know how to get there, just go to your own channel. And then it will go to your profile and then here it says chat. There we go. And what we need to do now is type /mod Nightbot. If it's already a moderator in your channel, you don't have to do this step, but otherwise make sure to do this. I'll type subscribe after that, and then it will say, do you like the stream? Subscribe here with the link. I also have my stream elements bot on because that's what I usually use, so that's what it says here. But with the Nightbot, this is what we just made. And then if we click on this link, we will see that this is my subscriber page. You can see tier 2, tier 3. You can see all the emotes here, not for tier 1 for some reason, but you can see them for tier 2 and 3. And you can gift subs here as well. This is just the subscriber page where you can go for checkout. That's as simple as it is. And you know, things aren't that hard if you just know how. But knowing how can be a problem sometimes. So I want to help you know how you can set up things in Nightbot. I've got a lot more tutorials about Nightbot, so just hop into this playlist with me and I will see you there.